All right, we have Mr. Speedy back. How was your night, my friend?
It was good.
Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Count of three. 1, 2, 3. Sorry.
Lots of packing.
Oh, that's
coming out
long.
of it. Yeah.
Sorry.
Looks pretty good, actually, from a standpoint of infection. That looks like just mostly kind of bloody there. It does not look like it's really that badly infected.
Okay.
So that's a good sign. Let me come around over here. Okay. So we're going to repack this for you. This is Wednesday. Then we'll see you back on Friday, okay?
Okay.
And we'll remove the packing then. If it does a good job of staying open like this again on Friday, we probably won't have to repack this for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. You got the medicines last night. How was your pain?
It was fine. I didn't realize any.
Didn't even need it. Felt better, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, having that less pressure in there. All right, Gumby Jean. She's going to squirt a little bit of lidocaine in there for you.
Okay.
And that'll kind of give it a little numbing. Be liberal with it because remember how deep that goes.
Okay.
All right, good job. And then she'll wait a few minutes and then she'll repack that for you, which we're not going to show in this video, but because everybody saw you get packed yesterday.
Okay.
All right, so this time you get a couple of days. So, since it's Wednesday, you come back on Friday. What happened to your baseball team last night, man? What's the deal? What's the deal?
No, I think we overestimated Cole this time.
Uh-oh. Okay, well, maybe things will turn around. There's another game tonight, right?
That's right. Verlander.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Big V.
All right. So for everybody's knowledge, this has to heal from the inside out. Okay. So we can't close this up. This has to heal from the inside out. Remember, if we tried to put a stitch in this or improve that opening and stitch it up, then we'd be at risk of an infection forming, and we're already concerned about that. But it looks very good today, and of course we sent the culture off yesterday, so we won't get that back for a few days. But it's looking very good for this point. Looks a lot better than it did yesterday, right, Gumby Jean?
Correct.
It is.
All right, Mr. Speedy, thanks for letting us share your story.
You bet.
All right, bud. Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, for 1 month, actually.
And
I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.